little, I was like, I'm gonna tell you the funny one. I made a slide out of blankets. And, okay. So, let me get my writing utensils. So I made a slide with blankets. Okay, so then what? And I'm like, hold on. Okay. I got it. I got the door. Okay. So, here's my bed, for example. I would take a huge blanket, put it like this, and it was hella thick too, so it was really hard to carry. And I was little. I was like 6 or something. I was so little. I was 16. Okay, so anyways, so like I took 3 blankets. I put one right there to make it more high, you know. And we had huge ass bed. It was like this big, you know. So I had to like to get a chair every time I wanted to get up there. And I put one blanket, and then I put another one, and then I put a huge ass long blanket like that, and it went all the way to the floor. And I like get on it on the top, and like I'm trying to slide down. I didn't even get down there halfway. I'm making a slide with blankets this one. And then my grandma took me through. After she yelled at me for the blanket.